serves as your roadmap. This presentation outlines policy guidelines, prohibited or restricted items, top 10 export and import products, and optimal markets, ideal for exporters, financial professionals, and trade institutions. Foreign Trade Policy 2023 Core Provisions. Effective from April 2023, it prioritizes automation, e-commerce exports up to 10 lakh rupees via courier and district-level hubs. District-level hubs, primarily known in India through the Districts as Export Hubs Initiative, DEAH, are local centers designed to identify, brand and promote a district's unique products, goods or services for global markets, boosting manufacturing, employment, and balanced regional growth by decentralizing export promotion and supporting local MSMEs, farmers, and entrepreneurs. Key enablers include merchanting trade and amnesty for defaults. Merchanting trade involves an Indian intermediary arranging the shipment of goods directly from one foreign country to another without the goods physically entering Indian ports. The government introduced a special one-time amnesty scheme under the FTP 2023 to provide relief to exporters who had previously failed to meet their export obligations (EO) under the Advance Authorization (AA) and Export Promotion Capital Goods Schemes (EPCG). Prohibited exports encompass unlicensed arms, human remains, silica sand, and CITES-listed species. CITES or CITES most commonly refers to the Convention on International Trade in Endangered Species of Wild Fauna and Flora, an international agreement regulating trade in threatened animals and plants to ensure their survival. Prohibited imports include narcotics, counterfeit articles, tallow-based products, and Basel Convention wastes. Restricted categories such as wheat quotas or dual-use goods require DGFT licenses. Consult ITC-HS schedules for compliance. ITC-HS Import Schedule 1 describe the rules and regulation related to import policies, whereas Schedule 2 describe the rules and regulation related to export policies. Schedule 1 of the ITC-HS code is divided into 21 sections, and each section is further divided into chapters. Top 10 export products for 2026. Projected at $525 to $535 billion, driven by PLI schemes. PLI schemes are Indian government initiatives offering incentives on incremental sales to boost domestic manufacturing, attract investment, reduce imports, and promote exports in key sectors like electronics, auto, pharma, and telecom. 1. Petroleum products, $70 billion, primary markets, UAE, Singapore, Netherlands. 2. Pharmaceuticals, $30 to $40 billion, US, UK, Africa. 3. Electronics and components, $60 billion, US, EU via Netherlands. 4. Gems and jewelry, $30 to $35 billion, US, UAE, Hong Kong. 5. Engineering goods, $40 billion, Africa, continental Europe. 6. Chemicals, $40 billion, Netherlands, China. 7. Textiles and apparel, $23 to $25 billion, US, UK. 8. Agro products, $55 billion, Middle East. 9. Leather goods, US, Italy. 10. Miscellaneous manufactured, US, UAE. Leading export destinations, United States, $88 billion, high-tech, pharma, UAE, $36 billion, energy, gems, Netherlands, $22 billion, re-exports, followed by China, Singapore. Emerging, Spain, Tanzania. Top 10 import products, essential for $700 billion plus inflows. 1. Crude petroleum, $150 to $180 billion, Russia, Iraq, Saudi Arabia. 2. Precious metals, $75 to $90 billion, UAE, Switzerland. 3. Electronic machinery, $80 to $85 billion, China, Korea. 4. Mechanical appliances, $60 billion, China, US. 5. Mineral fuels, Coal, $25 to $39 billion, Indonesia. 6. Organic chemicals, $25 billion, China. 7. Plastics, $22 billion. 8. Base metals, $17 billion. 9. Animal or vegetable fats, $17 billion. 10. Optical or medical instruments, $13 billion. Primary import sources: China $121 billion, Russia $67 billion, US $42 billion, UAE, Saudi Arabia. In summary, align with FTP for sustainable growth. Thank you for viewing. Subscribe for regular updates on trade finance.